picking a judge to fill a vacancy on the US Supreme Court is almost never easy.
Today I am nominating Chief Judge Merrick Brian Garland to join the Supreme Court.
The decision by US President Barack Obama to pick Garland was like a dare to Senate Republicans to make good on their promise to block any Obama nominee. Garland is considered a moderate and has served as a judge in the Washington, D.C. Court of Appeals since 1997. He gave an emotional speech in accepting the nomination at the White House.
Thank you, Mr. President. This is the greatest honor of my life, other than Lynn agreeing to marry me 28 years ago.
Garland is best known as the prosecutor who investigated the Oklahoma bombing that claimed 168 lives in 1995. He has 2 children and was named to his position on the D.C. court with the help of bipartisan support.
Fidelity to the Constitution and the law has been the cornerstone of my professional life, and it is the hallmark of the kind of judge I have tried to be for the past 18 years. If the Senate sees fit to confirm me to the position for which I have been nominated today, I promise to continue on that course.
Garland is a strategic choice for 2 reasons. First, he's considered a centrist and received 32 votes from Republicans in his confirmation for the D.C. Appeals Court. He's also 63, making him the oldest Supreme Court nominee in the last 45 years, which means he'll have a shorter time on the bench. It hasn't impressed the Republicans. Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell repeated his pledge to block the nomination until the next president is elected.
Let's let the American people decide. The Senate will appropriately revisit the matter when it considers the qualifications of the nominee the next president nominates, whoever that might be.
Republicans want to block Garland's nomination to prevent a change in the balance of power in the Supreme Court. The unexpected death of conservative Justice Antonin Scalia last month left an equal number of conservatives and liberals sitting on the highest court in the US. Since Supreme Court justices serve a lifetime, appointment of a more liberal judge to replace Scalia can change the outcome of many important cases.
The American people may well elect a president who decides to nominate Judge Garland for Senate consideration. The next president may also nominate somebody very different. Either way, our view is this: give the people a voice in filling this vacancy.
With strong opposition from Republican Senate leaders, Garland's chance of being confirmed seems slim. But there are still more than 7 months to go before the next presidential election. And in US history, a seat on the Supreme Court has never been vacant for that long.